How to clear your recent products browsing history on Snapchat. Hello guys, how are you? Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. Make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. The first step is to open your Snap. After this, when your Snap is opening, you go here on your profile, then open it. After this, when your profile is opening, you will go to settings and open it. Then on settings, you will have a long list. You will just go down and you go to clear recent product. Then you will click and then you will click OK, because they told you if you are sure to clear that, you will click just OK, and that's it. It will work with you. So see you next video.